Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, thanks to a simple tip, we'll make a jam with a vibrant red color and an amazing taste that everyone who sees and tastes it will ask for the recipe. I want to share my strawberry jam recipe with you. For this recipe, I used 1 kilo of strawberries. Remove the stems, wash a few times, and drain them in a strainer. I placed about half of the strawberries into the pot. I made sure to use the larger strawberries for this step. Set the smaller strawberries aside in a separate bowl. Then blend the strawberries in the pot until they become a smooth puree. I used 750 grams of sugar for 1 kilo of strawberries. Add the 750 grams of sugar on top of the puree in the pot. Place the pot on the stove. Stir occasionally and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then, to reduce foaming and make the jam shinier, add 1 level teaspoon of butter. Squeeze the juice of 1/4 of a lemon. Then add the rest of the strawberries you set aside. On medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. Let it simmer for 7 minutes. At this stage, try to skim off as much of the foam as possible from the surface. After 7 minutes, remove the jam from the stove and let it cool. We will cook the jam in 3 stages. The secret to its amazing color lies in this method. As you can see, the jam has cooled. Let's place it back on the stove. Bring it to a boil again over high heat. Once it starts to boil, lower to medium-low heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Again, try to skim off any foam forming on top. After 10 minutes, remove it from the stove and let it cool once more. And the cooled jam will go back on the stove for the third and final time. Bring it to a boil again on high heat, then simmer over medium-low heat once it starts to boil. Let it cook for 7 more minutes. And after 7 minutes, remove the jam from the stove and let it cool down. As you can see, the texture of our cooled jam is perfect. With its color, texture, and flavor, it turned out to be a wonderful jam. I strongly recommend that you try it at least once. I'm sure you'll love it when you try it too. Let's place our marmalade-style strawberry jam in a serving bowl. As you saw in the video, it turned out with a gorgeous color. Enjoy in advance to those who will try it. If you've watched the video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.